Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called sound and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the menu. And now, I'm gonna disable the silent mode, because we want to use the sound. So, if you want to adjust the sound volume, disable the silent mode, then scroll down, and here we have 3 types of volume. We have alarm, media, and ring, and we can adjust them by tapping on the plus or minus buttons or by using the crown. Okay, and once you're done, can you stop somehow? Okay, it stopped. So once you're done adjusting the volume, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.